Abraham Lincoln once said, "Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. So, your determination matters most for success. It's more important than any luck, talent, or help from others. Never give up, no matter what problems you face. Don't blame outside circumstances for your failure. Your inner drive will carry you through setbacks. Guys, believing in yourself and refusing to quit is the key." And with that said, Monday is a wonderful start to a week that is just getting better. Always remember, there's only one you in the whole world, and you are great. Have a wonderful Monday. Chome bueno.